Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Nissan Micra 2012 and basically I'm just gonna change the rear brake bulb, the one that's up here, and that one is one of these bulbs which doesn't have any numbers but maybe the old one does, so we'll have a look in a minute. But I already undone one side of this. This light here basically is just plugged in, and we want to basically, with something like this, go on the side carefully without damaging your car and do that, pop it out. Better if you use plastic prying tools rather than the metal one I'm using here, and you will see in a minute what is happening in there. So you have these two pins plugged in there, and that is basically how it comes out. It just pops out basically, but you need to apply a little bit of force, but you don't want to crack the light either. So just try to be gentle and even, so you can hold it with one hand, pull it with one hand from the center while you pry it out, and we can then just anti-clockwise turn this. That's the bulb there. Again, I can't see any numbers. I'm gonna check the box in a minute and I will show you. That just plugs in there. Right, so I think I'm developing a skill here of using one hand to do everything. So you put it in there and you turn it clockwise and it's done. Now also make sure this seal is fairly in one piece, because if it's not in one piece, rainwater will start going in there and leak inside of the boot area and wherever. So just try to keep that intact. If it's not intact, then you may need to apply some sort of sealant around here to prevent any leaks. And then we can put this back in there. And just push it back into place. And that's it, that's plugged in there. So, having said that and having done that, hope this video helps. I'm gonna check the box of that and I'll show you on a picture the numbers of that. So I hope this video helps. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.